Hey, so while you're working in Xenett, and if you come across any question for your staff, for your manager, or for any internal people of the firm, you can use the feature called internal comments to ask those questions. So let me show you how that works. So right now I'm in monthly close for this client named SRH Titans, and let's just say I have a question on this particular transaction. All you simply do, click on this comment icon, type in whatever your question is, and then you can assign it to the respective person, and you click on send, and the questions will then be sent to that particular person. So that person gets an email saying whatever the questions that you've typed in, and then that person can start working on it. So just like you can ask question on any of the transaction, similarly, you can also ask question on the task as well. For example, I have this task for bank reconciliation where the balance is negative, and if I wanted to ask a question for this particular task, I can also do it from here. Now, inside the project, there are some more features that we have it. So obviously, you can type in the question and then you can assign it. But at the same time, let's just say if you just wanted to leave a note, which is not a specifically a questions where you seek any answer, you just type in. It could be an observation, it could be a remark, and then you just simply click on send, right? So in that case, it just stays here as a note. In this case, it's not actually assigned to anyone. No one needs to take any action, right? So that's something that you can also do that. And another way you can also ask questions is on any of these reports, which is profit and loss and balance sheet. Now, let's just say you wanted to make a comment here, you click here, and then whatever, same thing, whatever you wanted to ask something, you can do that. Now, there is also one feature that is also quite useful, which is called the pin comment. Let me show you what I mean by that. So let's just say if there is a particular comment that you would like to see every close period and you wanted to pin it to the particular account, all you can simply do is click on this pin comment. Now what this will do is that next time whenever you are working on April close, this comment will also show up, right? So anytime if you wanted to put some sort of instructions that you want your people to always pay attention to, you can always pin the comment. And in case if you wanted to unpin the comment, you can just click here, unpin comment, and then that's how you can get rid of that. All right, so now I'm in a client. If you wanted to now see all the comments for this client, simply click on internal comments and you will now see all the comments for this client. There are some quick filters in case if you wanted to see the comments assigned to you or created by you, you can always choose the particular filter from here. And same way, if I'm at the top level, and now when I click on internal comments, I can now see all the comments across all the clients. So that way, even like this is super helpful in case if you wanted to plan the work, like, hey, for this many clients, you are assigned the comments and you can actually plan the work accordingly. And one last way you can actually create the comment is without even attaching it to any transaction, any account. Let's just say if it's a general question that you wanted to ask your team member about it, you click on this new, click on internal comment, you type in whatever question that you have, you select the client, and then you assign it to the particular person, and then you click on save, and that's how you can even create the general comment as well.